Uncle! Hulog. Uncle! Hi! Uncle! Franco, it's cold. Yung additional jacket si Franco, malamig. You go. How many times? Oh, 10 times?
No.
How many? 4 times?
Yes. Yes, 4 times.
Daddy. It's so cold. Di ba temperature ngayon? Tama. Drop it. Hi! So today is April 26. It's 13 degrees. Feels like 11 outside. And our first time to... Yeah, it's Franco's first bicycle ride. Pero nakaupo lang. Franco!
Hi, so let me have it.
You go. There. Hi, Daddy. Franco. Mabilis. Hi. Hi, Yuga.
It might be hard for me doing that down.
Yeah. Because Daddy is using an electric bike, so it's easier for him. Where are they? There.
Days like this don't get much better. Top down, good fam, good weather. Days like this we don't miss never. Yeah, yeah. Last night things got a little bit crazy. Pulled up doing about 180. Life goes fast, so there ain't no maybes. Yeah, yeah. Just give me that sunset, give me that ride, give me them stars on 4-wheel drive.
Follow me. Mommy, we're going around.
Okay.
We're going to go around.
I'm gonna follow you, guys.
Dad, you did.
Hi, Daddy.
Hello.
Franco. Hi. Are you so sleepy now?
The stroller to tulog na doon.
Hi. Hi.
How would you go down? You go. What happened to you?